Do family law attorneys in Oklahoma offer a contingency plan as payment? I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth. That's the question that we have. There's actually a little bit more to the question. It says, do family law attorneys offer a contingency plan as payment? My ex's lawyer is coming after me for child support and I know she's broke. So that's the question that we're dealing with, contingency fees in family law cases. So in family law cases, there are a few different types of fees or for attorneys generally. So an hourly retainer bills up hourly for work that is done based on a specified hourly rate. Sometimes you can have that as an evergreen retainer, meaning you may need to maintain a certain balance in trust to cover those hourly fees. Then there's a flat fee. So if it's an agreed divorce, then we might quote it as a flat fee. The representation covers these specific things related to an agreed divorce, and it's this flat amount. It's not going to be more, it's not going to be less. That's what it is. In family law, the most common fee is the hourly fee. If we're talking a personal injury case, it's very common to have those as contingency cases. That's where you see the advertisements. If we don't collect, you don't pay us anything. But if we do collect, we get a certain percentage of that. So common in personal injury, not common in family law. So this guy's question is, it seems like this opposing counsel just keeps coming after me and after me. I know she can't afford to pay him. How is he getting paid? Why is he being so aggressive with me? And there are exceptions to the general rule in family law that you wouldn't see a contingency fee, is that you can do a contingency fee on the collection of child support. And this is a child support case. So that may be what's going on there. However, it is pretty rare. It's ethically allowable, whereas in other areas of family law, it's not even ethically allowable to do a contingency. If you're talking about a property division and you want a percentage of that division, the attorney does, if they are successful in getting it, that's not even ethically allowed. Lawyers can't do that in the state of Oklahoma. But for collection of child support, it is allowed. For back child support that's owed, they could have an agreement where a third of what we collect on back child support goes to the attorney as the attorney fee. That's ethically allowed. Some attorneys do it, but it is pretty rare. For the most part in family law, if it's contested, you see it as being an hourly retainer. So is that going on in your case? I don't know for sure. It's a possibility, but it would be somewhat unusual. We don't see it very often. If you're dealing with a family law case in the state of Oklahoma, though, and you've got questions, you're going to want specific advice for your circumstances. To get a consult with an attorney at my office to get strategic legal advice, go online to makelaweasy.com.